Guten Morgen, Leute. Heute lernen wir, wie kann man nach dem Namen fragen, sich und andere mit Namen vorstellen. That means how to ask for others' name and how to introduce you and others with your name. Let's get started. Before we continue, there is a disclaimer for you. Please read it carefully. Ich heiße Indian Soul und wie heißen Sie? So that means I am called Indian Soul. And what is your name? Ich bin Junior Indian Soul. I am Junior Indian Soul. Then for wie heißen Sie, there is another variation, that is wie heißt du. So as you all know, du is for informal you and Sie is for formal. Then comes another sentence structure. Wie ist Ihr Name? My Name ist Junior Indian Soul. So that literally means, what is your name? My name is Junior Indian Soul. Where is das? Das ist Indian Soul. Ja, stimmt. Nein. So who is that? That is Indian Soul. Ja means yes. Yes, stimmt. And nein means no. Wer ist das? Ich weiß es nicht. Who is that? I don't know. So ich weiß es nicht means I don't know. So that is all for today. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Prost.